good, guys. So y'all been seeing these pranks he's been doing on me. I'm gonna be getting him back with so many pranks. Right now he's sleeping. What I have planned is, you see this? He's so tired right now. I'm about to throw all this water on him. He's gonna be so pissed. Right now it's 9:15. He has to be up by 10 o'clock and he's been up since 5 this morning. I'm getting him back. I'm getting him back with so many pranks. Watch.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Got him!
We finally got him back, guys. It's prank motherfucking wars, bitch.
Go suck your mother.
Oh, this is yeah. Yeah. I can't prank, huh?
Daddy.
How you feeling?
Look.
Daddy, look at Daddy.
Look, pretty face.
How you feeling, man? That body glistening.
Daddy, give it away.
Alright, guys, so we got him back. You already know. It's gonna be way more pranks. He's pissed. He's wiping himself off, ladies and gentlemen. I was so nervous. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.
3,000 years later.
Since this man likes to sleep with his mouth open, I think it's time to get him back. Got a good amount in here. Let's go. You're gonna put that in Daddy's mouth. Shh, but you can't say anything, okay? You gotta be quiet, okay? So, okay? You gotta be quiet. You can't laugh. Okay, you have to be very quiet, okay?
What up? What up?
Oh, I messed up.
Bumbo clap, man.
Come on, Taj, you always laughing.
Go in your room. Go.
3 days later.
Whoa!
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Nah.
He needs some milk.
I got you, little bitch. How's it taste? Mouth open. You alright?
God.
What happened? You okay?
Feeling good, man.
I'm sorry. But I messed it up the last time. Well, your son messed it up last time. What does it taste like? This pussy.
Whoa! Hot sauce.
He hates hot sauce.
Burning.
What are you eating?
Milk ice cream. What the?
I know you hate hot sauce. You'll be okay. Sorry to wake you. I know you gotta leave soon.